Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to block someone on Facebook. Whether it's a nasty ex, a spam account, or someone you don't want to interact with, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open and log into your Facebook account. Step 2. Search for user profiles. Use Facebook search bar to find the profile of the person you want to block. Step 3. Navigate to blocking settings. Click the 3 horizontal lines, menu icon, in the top right corner of Facebook, scroll down and click Settings Privacy, then select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Profile Settings and select Blocking. Step 4. Add users to your blocked list. Click Add to Blocked List and enter the profile name of the person you want to block. On the search results page, find the user's profile and click Block. Confirm your decision by clicking Block again. What happens when you block someone? Blocked users won't be able to see your profile, posts, or photos, they can't text or call you, and you won't appear in their Facebook searches, existing chats and mutual friends. Existing chat messages with the blocked user will still be visible, but neither of you will be able to send new messages. If a mutual friend tags a blocked user in a post, you'll see the post on your friend's timeline. Groups and applications. Blocked users can't add you to new groups. But you're still a member of existing groups. Policies for apps and games may vary, some interactions may still occur. Think carefully before making a decision. Thanks for watching.